Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Mico account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Mico application. You can create a Mico account with Facebook or with Google. In this video, I'm going to create my Mico account by using Facebook. Tap on Login with Facebook button. Now tap on the Continue button. And this is how you can create Mico account. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.